Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can take a screen capture or a screenshot using Microsoft Excel. So first let's open the concerned Excel file. You can create a new sheet if needed or just insert it in the old sheet. And you go to insert section. You will click on screenshot. We'll select screen clipping. There might be multiple options. So screen clipping. Now we will take the screenshot which we want. The screenshot will be automatically included or added to our Excel document. You can go ahead and reduce the size of it, and you can resize it or put it wherever you want. In the format section, you will have additional edition or editing tools like remove background, corrections, colors, artistic effects, etc., which allows you to edit the picture. Once done, just go ahead with clicking save, and this will save your document as needed. If the format is incompatible, just click yes to save, select browse, select Excel workbook, and you can rename your file as needed and just select save. This will save your document. After you close it, you can open the new one saved and you will find your picture there. Always guys, be careful to the compatibility. If you have used a password, you will be asked to enter the password when opening. Here I have my picture. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email. If you would like to encourage us to produce more videos, you can always press like, share, and especially do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.